Hello everyone, I'm Sucheta Rampuri and I'm from Team Rain STS.
I'm Kyle. I'm from Team Rain STS.
I'm Saina Joshi and I'm from Team Rain SGS.
Have you enjoyed going to picnics to admire nature's beauty? I'm sure you all must have. Do you think that the next generations will enjoy this beauty? It is all in our hands. A very good morning to respected judges and everyone present here. Today we are going to present our views on the topic My Waste, My Responsibility.
Hi, this is us again. We study in SB Patil Public School. We are environment nurturers. We are passionate about helping and improving the condition of the environment by spreading awareness about the situation. The waste is increasing, technology is growing, and we need to start being responsible and clean up after ourselves so that otherwise the waste can cause us a lot of harm. We want to make a change in this world by our poster and by our message.
As the topic suggests, my waste, my responsibility. Our poster is about. Uh, uh, the poster is based on the topic "My waste, my responsibility," which means it is our responsibility to manage the waste we create.
Erase the waste means keeping our surroundings clean.
We have 8 hours. We have to think before buying an item or on how to use them. Plastic can be reshaped in recycling companies and can be used to make different objects. We can renovate and redecorate things instead of buying new ones. Plastics can be repurposed and used as planters. Electronics and various other machines can be repaired and used for a longer period of time. We need to use reusable items in order to decrease the waste. We need to reduce the waste we make as much as possible. We need to refuse the use of plastic and other elements that are harmful for our environment.
We should perform segregation of waste at source, which means we should use different bins for different types of waste to ensure that they are recycled properly. As the image shows, the dustbin is cleaning its surroundings on its own. In the same way, we should not wait for others to clean up. This should start from us.
Save water, stop pollution, plant trees. These are all small steps we can take to contribute to make our earth a better place to live in. Go green, use reusable items, use kitchen composter, say no to plastic, use wooden cutlery, and go zero waste. These are some more ways in which we can create an impact and contribute towards waste management. Impact that we expect after implementation of our solution. We want people to practice segregation of waste at source, our message of 8 hours, and share and forward our message.
We are humans who have mind to think, hands to work, legs to walk, and a voice to be heard. We can reduce the waste, we can recycle it all, we can do everything possible. Thank you.